If you want to do anime eyes that look like this, then watch this video.
Alright, so first thing here, you're basically just want to fill in with an off-white color. You don't want it to be pure white, you want like a slightly darker white, and you want to fill in your pupils and the whites of your eyes. Next, you're going to create a new layer, and you're going to choose a color for your pupils. Then you're going to clip that layer to the white eye layer. Next, you're going to want to add a shadow, and you're going to create a new layer, and in that layer you're going to hit the little N, and you can hover over whatever setting looks best for you. After this, I created another new layer, and we're going to do the pupil next, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to hit the little N, and we're going to find out what looks best. Then after this, you're going to take your airbrush tool to kind of soften the edges of the shadow. Finally, then we're going to move on to our highlights. What I did here was I added 2 little spots, and then I ended up changing it and added a whole blotch here. For highlights, I'd like to change the normal setting to hard light. And here I'm also adding an airbrush for the highlights. After this, you can add a few more blotches. I like to add 2 colored blotches and then a white blotch on top of it. It gives it kind of like a 3D effect. But you're definitely free to add whatever highlights to your choosing. I also like adding this little white highlight underneath the eyelash. I think it just makes it pop. And here I decided to color my eyelashes to give it a softer look, and I colored the outline of the pupil to give it another softer look. And I didn't like that the pupil wasn't dark enough, so I ended up darkening it a little bit here.
And if you guys are interested in more art tips, please check the link out in my bio. I have a website where I post art tips and tricks, and you can check that all out in my bio. And here I'm just finishing up, so please let me know if this video helped you at all and leave a comment down below if it did. Thank you. Bye.